the game. You got this. Harvey is about to do the Tony Hawk. Let's get it. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. He's getting bombarded by the dogs. How do you feel? Great. That's right. Go. Dance around. That's freaking sick. What is that thing in the back of your car? It's like a...
For the bags?
It's like a little pot of gold back there. Because you guys know, someone pointed out in one of my videos that I had a flat tire on Toby. And you was right. This tire always goes down. I need to get it patched up or something, you know? But yeah, this is pretty cool. Compared to mine, oh my god. There's a freaking diamond in there. Oh! Do it again, do it again. Someone farted, look. It blew my hair back. Whoa. Cool. Hello everybody, as you guys can tell, I am not in front of Nelson or Toby today. I am in front of an Evo. An Evo. This is not my car, this is actually my neighbor's car. He is gonna trust me in driving his car. Nah, I'm actually good at driving, so I got this. Doesn't this look freaking awesome though? Like, look at how beautiful it is. His car is in my hands, like literally. This is amazing. We're about to see how it runs, how it feels. I've driven an Evo before, but this is gonna be my second time driving an Evo. This is an Evo X, if you guys didn't know. The higher the socks, the downer the food. No, I'm kidding. Cool freaking setup, guys. Let's get to it. It's getting pretty late. Let's get it. This is my neighbor. His name is Jim Bob. He's basically trusts me with his car. Why would you do this?
Let's see how you drive.
Let's get to it. I'm excited. Here goes nothing. Is there anything I should know before?
Even though you think you're high, you're still gonna be
low. Because of the splitter you had on.
The lip that I have.
Oh, the lip. Okay. What is this? 5 or 6? I don't know.
It's 5.
Oh, it's 5. Oh shit. Good thing I asked. All right. I think I'm ready to go. Show me how to lift it. Oh, right here?
Yeah.
Do both of them at the same time? I could just go all the way up?
I'll say you just do the front one first. You're gonna feel it when it goes all the way up.
Whoa, this is so cool. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, there's a fire over there. There's a fire. Whoa, this is so weird. Like, driving someone else's car is like, this is weird. Not that your car is weird, but it's just like, I'm not used to it. There's a fire over there. Let's go see it. Let's go be, Chismosos. Let's go be nosy. Hide your kids, hide your wife. Coronavirus. Oh, is this sweater? Oh no. Oh yeah, it was her. I thought I was saying hi to someone else. It's sweater. I should have honked at her. I saw her. She has tinted eyes, windows. What the hell? What in the tarnation is going on? Oh my gosh, look at that.
Where is it at?
I don't know.
We can't find it.
Oh my gosh. It smells really bad. Oh, there's a fire over there. What the house is on fire. Can't relate. This is like a freaking pillow. Like, it's so weird. Like, compared to mine, like, you feel everything. Shout out to my neighbor for letting me drive his car. By the way, guys, I actually bought a mic for my GoPro, but why is it doing that? Whoa, this is cool. Hey, why is it doing that? I'm like, I broke it. No. What I was saying is that I bought a mic for my GoPro, but for some reason it doesn't want to work. Like, it's weird. It does not work. Oh my gosh. Oops. It sounds so weird. Nelson sounds so weird with the muffler on. As weird as this might sound, literally the other day, I forgot how to drive Nelson. Like, first of all, I forgot how to turn them on because there's just a few things you have to do before you turn on Nelson. Like, you can't just turn them on with a key. And I had totally forgot that because I've been driving Toby, so I blame Toby for this. And plus, Toby is a 5-speed. I don't know, like when you drive a certain car for a while, you just kind of get used to it. And then, yeah, so that's basically what happened. I was like, oh my god, like how do I turned the car, and then I finally turned it on because I remembered. And then I freaking tried reversing, and I thought my clutch went out. I was like, oh my gosh, my reverse is out. But it was only because I didn't press down the shift knob. I just kind of was like going into 6. And me, I was thinking that I was going into reverse, but I didn't press it down. So like, you know, it wasn't gonna reverse if you don't press it down. You guys know. So yeah, it was so embarrassing. It was bad. Guys, we're here. We out here. No type of parking. Where?
Move, you ugly motherfucker.
Alright, so I took Nelson out for a little ride. I brought Nelson to a little car meet, and I found out last minute, so that's why he's hella dirty. Look at this. I could write something on it. Look at all these peeps, guys. Whoa. Hey, little. Never mind. Aleteros, support your look, aleteros. Look at how freaking fitted this Z is. It looks freaking nice. This is goals right here. This is how I want Nelson to be, but I don't know if I would be down for this. Since look at that camber. That camber. I don't know. It's a little risky. Damn, look at this. I wonder if we can even walk through here. Damn, who's this thing? Oh, he rich. They're selling micheladas over there, but I don't like beer. So it looks so bomb, but whoa, this looks nice. Look at this is gold right here. This is nice. I like this one. They're both really nice. What am I saying? This looks sick. That fitment. Oh, damn, he got those work wheels. These are nice. Goals. Look at all those cars over there. Whoa, look at this, like a highlighter. Tubi gang. Whoa, this wide body. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, it's all blurry. Hey, okay. Look at this one.
Shut up!
Oh shit.
Shut the fuck up!
Miata goals. Nice. Fun fact, guys. So when I was younger, my mom owns a Pikachu jumper for us, so this is so cute. Wow, this is so mean. No fat chicks, bags of blood. All right, I can't go in there. Oh, I already saw a cop. Uh-oh. Party pooper. Anyways, I haven't been to a car meet in like forever. I'm gonna start taking Toby out to car meets pretty soon, probably like in a month. He's not registered yet because I'm doing it through online, and like honestly, they're taking forever, so it sucks. All right, everybody, it's the next day. Unfortunately, I didn't get to film my outro yesterday because it was getting late and I kind of just forgot. Okay, I forgot. I admit it, I forgot. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. Soon, I'm gonna be doing some changes to Nelson and Toby, and pretty soon I'm also gonna be taking him out to the car meets. He hasn't been to any car meets at all, so I can't wait to take him out to his first car meet. That should be really exciting. Speaking about Toby, if you guys made it this far, make sure to comment some snail emojis because as you guys know, Toby does have a snail in his body. He has a turbo, so the snail will represent the turbo that he has in there. Before we end off this video, I do want to give out a post notification shout out, and that goes out to Blue17. Thank you so much for having your post notifications on. If you guys want one, all you gotta do is have your post notifications on and be the first to comment. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Stay tuned to see what is gonna happen to my little babies here, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.
Bucket that in the coupe, oh yeah. Got a pipe full of red, oh yeah. Bucket that in the coupe, oh yeah. Got a pipe full of red, oh yeah. In the back, looks like alright. In the coupe with a bitch alright. In the coupe, in the 6 alright. In the coupe, I smell red.